Now we are going to see how we can remove background from an image or some unwanted part if you want to remove in Adobe Photoshop. So first of all, file and then import. You can import an image or you can create a new file or open an existing file. For that, select the location where you have saved the image. Now for example, I am taking this image that I have saved in my computer. Now for example, suppose if I want to crop this much part only, this flower only. So this is magnetic lasso tool. Take this tool and then zoom in the area that you want to crop, and you have to zoom in this part as much as it can occupy your screen so that you can work properly on it. And then click and drag on its borders. Now here due care has to be taken. So do it slowly. Now when we want to change direction of this cropping, release the left click and again start from that point. Here I am clicking and then again I am starting to move my mouse. Then here again one click, start moving the mouse on the borders of that image. Click here and then change the direction of cropping. Click here. Again click here. Click and then move mouse pointer on the border again. Again click, move mouse pointer. Click here. Then move mouse pointer on borders. Click here again. Click and then change direction of your selection. I'm clicking here because it is not taking proper shape. So I have clicked there. Click here again. Click here again and then start selection. Continue this selection and at the starting point last click. Okay. Now you can see this. The whole flower is get selected. Copy this, edit, copy. Okay. And then I am opening a new file with Control N or file new. Okay. Now I'm zooming this section and I am pasting whatever we have copied. Now you can see this only the crop part you can see here. Now suppose if you want to decrease this. Then by keeping press this shift key, drag any corner of this image to minimize this image. Now in background, suppose I want to take a new image. Okay, so file. For that, if we want another file in background, so that file we need to take a PDF file. Okay, so right now if you don't have a PDF file, then create a PDF file here. So to create a PDF file, to take another file, for example, if I am taking this file, okay, so this is JPG file and I have to convert it into PDF file to use it in background. So for that, open this file, right click, open with, and then select Photoshop. Or else you can, if it is open, Photoshop is open, you can click and drag it into Photoshop. Okay, now you can see this. Now two files are opened here. This is one with cropped image, and this is an image file that we want to keep in background. Now click on this file, okay, so that whatever we are doing will be changes will be done in this file. And then go to file, save as, and from here select PDF, Photoshop PDF, okay, and save it. This is for resolution, okay. Maximum value will give good resolution to this file, and now close it. So in same folder I have created a PDF file of this JPG file. Now go to this file that we are going to create, and file, place, click on file, place, and select the PDF file that we have just converted. Okay, now it came here, and drag it to occupy the whole image size. Now since that flower is not visible, we can drag it below that flower layer. Now you can see this flower is visible here, and if you want to adjust it in different size, you can click and drag it somewhere, and then click on OK. Now this is this part of image we have taken from another file, and in we have taken another background and used that cropped image in that file, and this way we can modify different files.